Oh, that's really cool. Should I just do the intro?
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Ano BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and on the guitar, on the Gitojigan, the lovely and talented Natasha. So today, I was thinking, in our Ojibwe phrase of the day,
Yeah, what were you thinking?
I was thinking we could say, Nimiigwechiwendam, bimaadiziwin.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah. Kids, it's good to be grateful. Here we go. Let's call this the Anishinaabe moment of Nimiigwechiwendam, moment of wisdom. And, I heard this thing the other day. This guy was saying, you can experience one of two things at a time, but you can't do this at the same time.
What was that?
You can either feel anxiety, you can be all nervous and that, or you can feel gratitude. But you can't feel both.
Oh, yeah, I suppose, huh?
And so, if you find yourself all anxious in that, kids, it's really good to just count your blessings. Be grateful. Think about all the things that you're just grateful for. Your health, your friends, your family. Things that aren't happening to you that could be. Be grateful. So today's Ojibwe phrase of the day. Nimiigwechiwendam. I'm grateful. For this bimaadiziwin life. Nimiigwechiwendam bimaadiziwin. I'm grateful for this life. All right. So say that a lot, and you won't feel anxious. What do you think of that? Is that good enough?
Yeah, that's really good. That was pretty deep, actually.
Yeah. All right. Well, hey, I just want to say thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Ano BOOZHOO, podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. And I will see you again. Igawa min, minawa. Oh. Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart. Come and love me, tell me your secrets. Oh, let's go back to the start. Running in circles, chasing our tails, heads on a science apart.
Nobody said it was easy.
It's such a shame for us to part.
Nobody said it was easy.
No one ever said it would be this hard. Take me back to the start.